Welcome to PBA All-Star Weekend. We're here in Phoenix, Arizona at NASCAR 500. We're in this little building called The Barn. It's got a pair of lanes here. Obviously, we're here doing a PBA collaboration with NASCAR. Don't really know what to expect. There's 3 events. I'm going to be participating in the spare shooting competition for Team Storm. Kyle Troop is going to be throwing strikes for us, and Sean Rash is going to be shooting trick shots. We have no idea what's going to happen.
That's a pretty good team.
Yeah. While watching Sean shoot his trick shots, I'm not 100% sure on how that's going to go, but it should be fun.
Darren's doing the spares. That's the hard one.
I get to
like
go first.
If you don't spare, it's not the lane's fault. It's not the ball's fault. It's your fault.
If I hook it every single one of them, it's the ball's fault.
And then it's your fault for choosing to hook it.
Hey, come on.
I'm just lining him up here for success. This is what you're going to learn on howtobowl.com, which is hook at all of your spares, and if you can't strike, blame it on the lanes.
17-time PBA winner Sean Rash.
Nope.
PBA champion Darren Tang. And 11-time PBA champion reigning player of the year Kyle Troop.
For context, Kyle actually has 12 titles, not 11, and EJ is the reigning player of the year. So, yeah, they got that one wrong.
Get 6. Juicy. Juicy. He's already locked for 4. He said a ham bone. That's in a row. I don't believe in that. You can do it.
No? Hey, we're good. Hey, get lined up. Free shot here. Burn the lane up. Move 4 right.
Seven. All right.
Hey, you survived. Hey, we're good now. Round 2, baby. Come on. Now we know how the lanes are playing.
Just exhaust your one bad one.
That's pretty good.
Oh. Yeah.
Maybe I'll be a ball rep next.
Come on, baby.
Great shot.
Catch.
Oh. Deep press. Hey, good ball change. Come on.
Game time. Let's go. Well done.
All right,
Well
kid.
done.
Come on, dig in. That's close.
Come on. Oh, yeah, baby. He got that dog. Let's go.
Got that dog.
Yes, sir. He got that dog.
Hey, you got 4. You get the ham bone, but you got 4.
Look at this guy. He's trying to play mind games. No.
That wasn't great, but it was better than your effort.
Wheel. I throw this one straight too. I'm hooking this one. I'm the only one that fit the gap. All right. All right, good luck, boys. I was thinking about throwing it straight, but now I don't know. Hook it? Throw straight? I'll throw it straight. It's what I know. It's what I know. It's what I know. Good try, boys. We led the way, you know how. Same thing.
If he misses this, we win the whole thing, regardless of his tricks.
Let's go. Come on. If he does, good on him.
Hell yeah. Nice work.
Oh. We get a victory speech?
That's a victory.
Let's go. That's for you, Gary!
Celebrating Darren, and did you totally downplay your spare game? Because I think you did.
I don't know if it was downplaying. I think it was more up to perception.
Well, you were making it look kind of easy out there. How was this competition for you?
I think it was really tricky because some of the spares we decided to hook. I also had Tommy Jones in the back trying to tell me what to do, playing some of the mind games, so shout out to him. But yeah, it was fun.
Well, let's talk about that difficult conversion you made. What happened there?
Which one?
Oh, there's many. We don't have any time for that. Thank you, Darren.
Come on. Oh, I need that check. It's big confidence. Big confidence moving forward. Making the cut at the Masters now. Go. We win! 1 for 1! Woo! Unbelievable. Yeah, that's pretty fast. Ah! So are we doing this or what?
No, I moved this one.
Oh, maybe. Hey! Again?
Let's do another.
More shots, more points. Oh, I think I like it. Oh, where'd mine go? Oh.
Nice work. This one's for the Christmas.
Love you, Bill. Bill, Mark. Everybody in Utah. It's for you guys.
Come on, Norman. Come on, get in here. Come on, Dad.
Oh, we're going this way?
Turn around.
A group hug?
3, 2, 1.
Yeah, Team Sweet, spare shooter, strike shooter,
Trick shooter.
trick shooter. We got it done. Got the dub. Yep.
What if you sweep the entire weekend?
Oh, that's the plan.
That was fun.
Big W.
Big W. You know what? This is our first show of the year, even though we got kind of selected for it. I don't care. You know, I did my part. Played well. It was tough. Approaches were kind of slick. We got like no practice, so to be able to come out and just do the thing and sweep every event, that was pretty sick. So shout out to Sean and Kyle for doing what they do, and yeah, complete team win. So a great start to the weekend, and we got some more action coming for you. So stay tuned.